We will now look at how to pin a pattern onto your fabric. So I'm going to place my fabric onto a flat surface. Make sure that it doesn't have lots of creases. That will make it more difficult to pin your pattern piece on. I'm going to line my pattern piece up with the grain line. This is the grain line here, and the selve edge of my fabric is here. I have cut it off when cutting a previous piece, however I do know that my selve edge would run in this direction, so I'm going to line my grain line up with the selve edge, and all you're going to do is put your pin down through the pattern and the fabric, and then carefully push it back up and flatten everything out to keep it nice and neat. And the same here. So this is quite a small pattern piece, so you wouldn't necessarily need that many pins. So pinning through all the layers and back up again. Try not to lift and pin because you will get excess fabric underneath. Your pattern will not pin on flat, you'll end up with bubbles, and then you won't cut out accurately. Okay, so this is how you would neatly pin your pattern pieces onto fabric.